AppScenic is a popular e-commerce platform used by many successful dropshippers. In this video, I'm going to review AppScenic across several different categories, including pricing and subscription costs, integration with other e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, as well as automation features and so much more. Keep in mind that choosing the wrong platform to host your e-commerce business can be a huge waste of time and money. But if you watch this video all the way to the end, you will have all the information you need to decide if AppScenic could be the right platform for your business. For your convenience, I've included the link to AppScenic in the description of this video so you can check it out. Let's talk about product sourcing and suppliers. AppScenic is a top dropshipping platform and B2B marketplace connecting e-commerce store owners to high-quality dropshipping suppliers from top-tier countries. Now, currently, it boasts a catalog of over 1 million products from various categories. These products can be shipped quickly from the US, UK, and EU warehouses, ensuring faster delivery times compared to traditional Chinese suppliers. This quick shipping is a key point in AppScenic's marketing strategy, addressing common dropshipping issues like long shipping times and low product quality that's associated with suppliers from China. Let's talk about the pricing and subscription fees. AppScenic offers several different subscription models that you can choose from, starting with the free plan where there's no credit card required, so absolutely no risk. You can actually try it out using the link in the description and you can see what's included here. Then if you decide to upgrade, they have the standard plan at almost 30 bucks a month where you get a bunch of AI text requests, 10 every single day, as well as AI image requests, also 10 every day. Plus you get a bunch of other stuff here like connected stores, push products, automatic ordering, and more. For $59 a month, you get the Pro plan. So this is for stores that are looking to scale up and move up quickly with their business. So you just get more of everything here. And then Elite is for the next level e-commerce and really advanced volume sellers. So if you have big volume that you're selling in, this is 89 bucks a month and you can see what's included. All of them come with a free trial and you can actually save up to 33% if you go with the yearly billing. So the price drops quite a bit. Let's talk about integration and automation. AppScenic integrates with major e-commerce platforms including Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and eBay. It automates the entire selling process, including auto ordering, stock and price synchronization 24/7, automatic tracking number imports, and an escrow system for payments. These features significantly reduce the need for manual intervention, streamlining operations, and saving time for users. In the next 6 to 8 months, AppScenic plans to launch integrations with BigCommerce, Amazon, Walmart, and Etsy, which will greatly expand its market size and potential. Let's talk about user interface and experience. AppScenic has a modern and user-friendly interface, making it easy for users to navigate and manage their stores. The dashboard is well organized and informative, providing a seamless user experience. The platform also offers customization options, allowing users to tailor their interface to their specific needs. Let's talk about customer support. Now, AppScenic has a great customer support. It's available through live chat, email, and they also have a detailed help desk that you can see, a help center. So you can find answers to really general common questions that people have asked, lots of detailed questions and answers. And you can also submit tickets if you have some sort of special problem and you need them to check it. So there's lots of different ways to get help. You can also email them if you need quick response. Let's talk about shipping and delivery. With a focus on suppliers from Europe and North America, AppScenic ensures fast and reliable shipping. This is really important for a dropshipping business. That's what's going to separate you from your competitors. The platform offers various shipping options and tracking capabilities to keep your customers informed. This rapid delivery, sometimes even with Prime-like services, is a significant improvement over traditional dropshipping models. Let's talk about market research and analytics. AppScenic provides advanced market research tools including trend analysis and competitor insights. These tools tools help users make data-driven decisions, optimizing their product offerings and inventory management. Users can access detailed reports on sales performance, customer behavior, and market trends. Let's talk about returns and refunds management. AppScenic offers clear and efficient return and refund policies that assist users in managing their processes smoothly. This ensures customer satisfaction and a really streamlined operation for you as the business owner. AppScenic also provides resources to help users develop their own return policies. Let's talk about trust and security. AppScenic prioritizes security with a robust measure to protect user data and transactions. This builds trust among its users and ensures a safe dropshipping environment. The platform is compliant with industry standards and regularly updates its security protocols. Let's talk about value-added services. So AppScenic has many different services, including marketing tools, educational resources, and product customization options. These resources enhance the user experience and support business growth. AppScenic also supports webinars and expert advice on e-commerce best practices, helping users stay ahead of industry trends. Now at this point, if you're not happy with the way your business is running, you have two options, and I made a little meme here to drive my point home. Let me just zoom in because I'm too cheap to purchase this. So as you can see here, you've got two options. You can be this guy or you can be the Chad. So what's the difference here? Well, the Chad runs his business like a machine using cutting edge tools to free up his time. He works on his business, not in it, right? Chad is the guy who, if he sees a great software or a great tool to add automation to his business, if he can free up his time, he's going to do it. He doesn't want to use clunky software that breaks. He doesn't want to have to manually add data or, make changes and things like that. He doesn't want to have to manually issue refunds on his own, like at 3 a.m. in the morning, right? He sets up systems. What does this guy do? Well, he does manual labor because he's too lazy to use high leverage platforms. He's basically a slave to his own business, right? His business, he's working in his business, basically an employee. He doesn't actually run the business. He's just working in the business because he doesn't have automations. He's not using powerful softwares and leverage tools to free up his time and run the business on autopilot. So you can decide which one you want to be. If you're not happy with the way your business is running, if your tools are clunky, I would recommend being the Chad and making a change. I've included all relevant links in the description of this video so you can check them out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.